7416 Barranca Peak, short driveway. We're at the beginning of a cul-de-sac. There's a lot of grocery stores and restaurants and things like that nearby. There's no wood around the garage. There's no wooden frame, so one less thing to there's a step up there to maintain. That wood may need to be painted at some point. We'll see what Jenny says about when. I've turned as many lights on as I could find. There's a very large fan up there. I'm just not seeing the light switch to it. The walls are bluish gray, mostly blue. The floors are laminate. We have the correct 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. It doesn't look like the most expensive laminate, but the condition for what I've seen overall is fine. I don't know if you can see in the video, but I'm just looking at seams, and you can see there has been some seams coming up like along this area, so we may have that in other areas, and these marks here. So we'll see what Jenny says. Decent sized powder room. Need to get a new lock here. Deadbolt. Vinyl. It's about $6 a square foot, give or take a little bit, to install tile upstairs and purchase and install hardy back or something similar. Those blinds may need to be replaced. Stretch the carpet in this room. As you can see, the paint is really dark in here. We need some closet doors. So stretch this carpet. Probably repaint this room as well. Get some closet doors. Stretch this carpet. There's some carpet stretching that could be done here as well. It's a safety issue, so it's something that has to be done. This hallway is really wide. It might be hard to see or feel that from the video and also with all the belongings, but it is a lot wider than I expected. Upgraded light fixture and fan. Need some blinds on this window. Again, the hallway is wider than it may look or feel. Repaint probably all the bedrooms then. Fan looks nice. Stretch the carpet. Give it a good shampooing. It may survive. That's definitely a Jenny call. We have vinyl in this bathroom as well. Cabinets overall look fine. The light fixtures themselves look fine. Just need to make sure all the light bulbs are installed and working. And that's it.